Hey guys, it's Miss McLean, and today we're going to be teaching on multiplication, the power of zero. So go ahead and grab your notebooks and let's get into it. All right, so let's take a look at these problems behind me. 4 times 0 is simply going to be 0. 5 times 0 is going to be 0. 6 times 0 is going to be, you guessed it, 0. And 7 times 0 is going to be 0. Now, what if I had 100 times a 0? Could that still possibly be 0? Yes. Any number times 0 is always going to be 0. Okay? What about 1,000 times 0? You would say, Miss McLean, that can't be 0. Yes, it is. Again, any number times 0 is always going to be 0. What about 1,000,000 times 0? Now, I know that can't be 0. Yes, it is. It is always 0. Any number times 0 is always going to be 0. Let's see if MK can answer these questions. Let's go ahead and do these problems on the board. The first one is 57 times 0. What will you get for that answer?
A 0!
Go ahead and write it on the board.
Oop. And then the second one's 14 times 0. Also 0. Just 0, 0, 0.
And what's
And
the
then
next one?
3,755
Mm-hmm.
times 0 equals, you guessed it, 0.
Talking about our second rule when it comes to multiplication, and that's multiplying any number times the number 1. Basically, when we multiply any number times the number 1, it just remains the same. And it's as simple as that. So any number that you have and you multiply it times 1, it's going to remain the same, and that's it. So let's see if MK can tackle this challenge. Well, that's it, guys. So we're going to be talking about multiplying by 2. So go ahead and grab those notebooks and let's get into it. So whenever we multiply by 2, all we're simply doing is just doubling that number. So look at the examples that I'm writing on the board. We have 2 times 2, which is equal to 4, 3 times 2, which is equal to 6, and 4 times 2, which is equal to 8. And lastly, 5 times 2, which is equal to 10. All we're doing is simply just adding that first number. We're just doubling it. So look at this here. 2 plus 2 is 4. 3 plus 3 is 6. 4 plus 4 is 8. And 5 plus 5 is 10. Now let's have Miss MK complete these examples on the board. Got all of them correct. So just again, remember to keep solving, keep shining, and remember Jesus loves you. Bye.